Watch me turn this into the office of my dreams. I started by clearing the space and placing painter's tape around the edges to protect the wall and the baseboards, and placing a plastic drop cloth to protect the carpet. For this project, I went for a moody, dark look. And I used a matte dark gray I have left over from another DIY project. But I didn't have that much paint left. That's why I decided to start painting the other sides of the wall. A slat wall was going to cost me hundreds of dollars, but I found this removable and waterproof wallpaper that looks like a real slat wall. My wall is textured and I didn't want to damage the wallpaper. That's why I use a squeegee to smooth the paper and get rid of any air bubbles without worry or risking damaging the wallpaper. The most challenging part was to keep a straight line, so I used a leveler to help me. I didn't worry about painting in a straight line because the area will be covered by the wallpaper. But this was a mistake and I just don't know yet. I wanted a wide slat wall, so I repeated the same process 2 more times. So I started in the middle and then added one on the right and one on the left. I really took my time to make sure that I had straight lines. This is where I noticed I did something wrong and regretted not painting the entire wall, because between the wallpapers there was a tiny gap and I could see the white wall in between. To fix this, I got a small paintbrush and carefully covered it so it looked seamless and like a real slat wall. Once I was done with that, I removed the painter's tape and put back the outlet covers. Then I was done for the day. Next morning, I was ready to clean up and style the office until, yeah, this is what I woke up to. Part of the wallpaper had come off, but it wasn't because the paper didn't have glue, because it was still sticky. I'm guessing it was because of my wall. Since it's textured, it didn't glue all the way. But there was no time to waste. I bought wallpaper glue and I fixed it. The glue is clear, odorless, and easy to clean. Now it was time to clear the clutter, vacuum. For decor, I just added a lamp and an artificial plant, because when you have an accent wall, there is not much you need to do because that is a showstopper. In this case, less is more. If you enjoyed this DIY, share it with a friend, but don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.